Hi everyone, Richard here. I'm out at the park again. This time, very interesting. I'm going to use the VIVO X100 Pro. I keep calling it glass. Okay, X100 Pro to shoot the sunset. And I'm going to use the slow shutter function, which this handphone has. So this is, let me show you how it looks like. So you have to go to here and then you go to long exposure, you see that? Then it brings out the function, you see traffic flow, waterfalls. So I'm not doing fireworks, so I'm going to do waterfall. And then from there you can see there is a 8-second timer to 32. So I've tested this with handheld 8 seconds, no issue. Let's try to get some shots. Let me show you how it looks like. And 8 seconds handheld, which isn't an issue. But I'm going to do longer today. I'm going to try as long as I can. When the sun gets lower, now it's too bright, I won't be able to shoot 32 seconds. Have to make it become darker. So let's try the 8 seconds now. Okay, let's go to 8 seconds, right? Go to the edge here so we can get the sunset reflection on the water. So, and also you can see, okay, let's try to get that. I don't want it to be so bright. So there is a wide angle lens that you can go through. This is the wide, you can see the wide angle lens. And then this is 8 seconds, so I'm going to put lock my exposure there and go for 8 seconds on this. Let's get my horizon. Oh, I accidentally pressed it. Let's stop it first. Okay, let's lock it there. And then, no, I need to lock it. Okay, so let's do the 8 seconds. It's kind of amazing that you can do handheld 8 seconds. How many seconds is a waterfall? 8 seconds, yeah, correct. Okay, let's look at that picture. Look at that. This is a 8 seconds handheld, right? Which is very good already. I mean, seriously, I don't have an ND filter with this, so I'm going to shoot handheld like that. 8 seconds. It's impressive, I would say, because you can't control the aperture. So okay, even 8 seconds is pretty bright. So let's do it one more time, maybe with this main lens. Let's lock it there. Let's point it higher to the cloud there. Okay, and a bird is flying across. I'm holding it and I'm shaking, and it still can look at that. It still can give a good shot, right? So quite an impressive function built into this. But you can see the megapixel is only 4,000 pixels by 3,000. So it's 2 MB file size only. So because it stabilizes all the function, it takes a few shots and then it just crop in with the stabilization. So that's how it looks like. Let's go back to wide. I love the wide shots. It's the best. And then let's do that. My horizon is not straight. Okay, let's do one more where I get my horizon straight first. Let's point it direct at the sun. Not advisable actually to point camera direct at the sun. But let's do this with handheld. Right? So beautiful, look at that. With the nice water reflection. Okay, let's do one more like that. Let's do one with the bridge there. can see the bridge is there. Okay, we gotta do one with the bridge. Let's get the horizon flat first. Okay, that's about there, and then the sun on the left hand side. 8 seconds. And my hand is shaking, right? So if we can still get a nice picture out of this, even with my hand shaking, is amazingly good. So you can see the bridge is nice. So it's currently at this 8 seconds handheld. It's doing an amazing job. So actually it's better to hold here. Yep, let's try again, and then let's do this shot. So I'm doing screen recording as well, so hopefully you can see it from my screen. Beautiful, it's sharp. Okay, I need to quickly get this shot before the sun goes missing behind that grey cloud there. So let's hook it up, and then let's try to go long shot for this, and then get the alignment correct, which is like that. I'm not getting enough water. Maybe I come to the side here. Right. Yeah, maybe here. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall also in. Yeah, the bridge and then the sunset there. Let's keep the horizon straight, and then let's put it on the tripod and see how it looks like. So that's how it looks like. It's so much sharper because it's on the tripod compared to the handheld, right? So let's tilt it up more to get more sky. Tripod activated, so it detected the tripod. So hold the device steady, but it detected the tripod. It's kind of interesting, right? It's using the gyroscope. So let's do white. Well, this one is very white, and then let's do that, and then it's doing the white shot on tripod. So the water is very reflective, right? So much sharper on the tripod rather than handheld. So the sun is going to disappear soon, so it's not a pretty interesting day today because the sun is hidden, right? So I'm gonna screen record again. That's just I forgot to press that. Let's get one with the sun still there before it goes away. Yep. Get the horizon done. So I can use voice to trigger this, so I don't have to press it. Cheese! So that's the advantage of using voice as well. So you don't shake the camera or the phone in this case. So that's how it looks like. And beautiful. The sun is gonna go. Damn. Not an interesting day, right? So let's do one more. Cheese before we go for the I'm not gonna get the sun anymore. It's gonna go. I want to do the long shutter, which is more than, let's try to do this. Yep, 8 seconds, right? So I can go to 16 and 32. Let's try 32, right? Cheese! So 32 seconds. It's amazing that you get 32 seconds long shutter. So pretty interesting that we have this option on a phone. So hopefully the horizon is straight enough. Kind of looks straight to me, right? So that's how it looks like, and I think it's gonna be overblown. So 32 is really too much. I'm surprised it's not overblown. It still managed to keep the... Wow. Okay, so you can see the cloud movement and everything with 32 seconds. So this is amazing discovery. So I didn't know this. Cheese. So technically you can use 32 without any filter and it will do the processing and control the highlights and the shadows. That is incredible. Vivo is doing a good job on this. I just need higher megapixel, right? So I need probably give me 12 megapixels out of this, or sorry, if I can do it 50 will be great. If it's on the tripod, give me 50 megapixel. Wow, that is incredible. I hope you're all seeing it in the screen recorder. Okay, so let's get it back out. Okay, let's get that bridge now. Am I in the... Okay, let's do one. Cheese. And 32 seconds. That's the longest it can go, because I just want to try it out today with the tripod. Right, so then you get very wavy clouds and very smooth water. Right, 32 seconds. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. This is an incredible phone with the features that we have here. Forget about it. I mean, the AI is probably built inside there, but there's nothing to shout about. But it's doing its job incredibly good. So that's how it looks like. It's very sharp. Yeah, you guys need to try this on the tripod with 32 seconds, and the clouds are just lovely. So with the wide lens is really amazing. Maybe we'll try let's try instead of 32, 20 seconds. Cheese. So 20 seconds now instead of 32. Right, hope the screen recorder is still recording. And that's the bridge. Right, birds are flying past. I wish the clouds were more exciting, but never mind. Interesting. So there you have it. I hope you like the photos coming out and the screen recording coming out from the VIVO X100 Pro. I keep saying plus. I have no idea why, because I'm expecting the plus to come out. Apparently that one has 200 megapixel tele lens. This is 50. Anyway, hope you like the pictures and the videos coming out. My hair is a mess because I was wearing the cap just now and I'm holding the cap now. So the pictures looks good. Incredible for handheld footage. 8 seconds you can travel with this, take nice waterfall, fountain, whatever with this handphone. So good work. Just that I need higher resolution. I hope they can give us 50 megapixels. I mean, give me 24, man. If you can't give me 50, give me 24. Long shutter, 24. It's gonna be equivalent to a mirrorless camera. So I don't need to carry my mirrors out. Just bring this guy, right? So wide angle lens, long shutter. I can get sunsets, go to the waterfall, go to the beach. I get nice shots. Mirror finish, right, with the cloud movement. 32 seconds. Crazy. So do give me a thumbs up if you like the pictures and the video. I'll see you on the next one. I'm having fun with this guy, so I'm trying. This is my own, I'm not sponsored, right? I bought this, so I'm gonna try out every feature And if I find something interesting, I'll just share it with you guys. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.